Hello there. I am showing the final product of the little tags that we made with just using junk mail. This was a little postcard that came in by my mail, and then I had some napkin that I had used to protect my surface when I was using some sprays for color, like alcohol inks sprays. And so they picked up these beautiful colors, and because of that, I didn't throw those napkins away. It was a Starbucks napkin actually that I had laying around to use that for. And so anyway, they look so cute. I thought, let me go ahead and Mod Podge them onto these little tags. And then I fussy cut a Dollar Tree card, and these were the bits. This is like a little piece right here, and then you got that, this, and this. So then I went through my little sticker binder, which I'm pulling up right here, and it's just a regular binder that I don't know if it's in I don't think it's in frame very well, but I'm gonna pick these tags out of to the side for a minute and show you what it is. I put these sheet protectors, okay, and then that's where I put my stickers. Okay, so that's a way to organize your stickers. And so I just kind of was going through that. I wanted to put some sentiments, and I found some stickers that I kind of had laying around, and I thought, you know, these will probably be good. So these were actually some from the Dollar Tree, and I went ahead and actually cut one of them to fit my tag. Okay, so right here, this one I cut, okay, because it was too long. And then this one I didn't cut. I didn't cut this one. See how it's got the little brown edge all around? And so then I added another sticker that I felt that complemented the colors. So anyway, that's how I made these two tags, and I'm not really sure what journal I'm going to put them in, mainly because I've got a variety of different journals. I'm thinking this is going to go well with my little garden journal, and I think I'm going to pull it out here for a second to see if we could find a place for them real quick. If you bear with me, I will be bringing that here shortly. So this is my garden journal that I made, that I love so very much. I think it is so sweet. I love this little charm that's like a little ladybug, and I just put it on a paper clip. Okay, and actually I need to curl this corner so it doesn't come out easily. And I like these fibers that are hanging out. You know, I put just different lengths and sizes, and you know, yarn and fabric. And look how cute this is. Boom, I love this fabric tag that has, it's like chunky. It has fabric inside. And I just think it's really sweet because it's tucked inside of a butterfly pocket. And it's interesting because the fabric I used for this was a form, you know, for sewing for a women's vest from like the 1990s or something. So that was kind of cool. And then this trim was actually navy blue, and I bleached it. And so anyway, that's that. And this is what it looks like inside, and it's very, very cute. So like I said, I really you know, maybe I can do a book flip on there. But yeah, this is my little journal for that. I'm not patting in the video too well in here, so I may have to just grab my camera for a second and flip through this a little bit to find a place for it. This is also got that fabric, but it's not chunky. I didn't fill it with anything. Then these are stickers that I got from my mom. and I thought it went really well with the theme and everything, and the colors. And you know, it's pretty packed already, so it might be slightly challenging for me to add these tags to it, because I already kind of like the way that it is already. But yeah, I love this page because I love this little ice cream sticker, and I like you know, this journaling card, and it goes with it. I think that's so sweet. And then, you know, even this little envelope, turned it into a pocket, you know, and then this is a little boy with his mama, and it reminds me of my son, who is now 20. So this is that instruction, this is fabric, and it's instructions on how to do that vest. So I thought that was kind of cool. And Better is One Day, that's a beautiful song, worship song, so I really love that. And this is one of my puffy tags. So this is actually more dimensional, because what I did with it is I sewed 2 tags onto it, and it's chunky, you know, it's got fabric in there. Either fabric, or I put the paper that shows you, you know, how you're supposed to make the vest. I forget what you call that, like pattern paper. So anyway, here's another little boy. Again, reminds me a lot of my son. He plays the guitar as well, and he's a worship leader. And I like stamping on the fabric here, on this fabric pocket. So yeah, I mean, there's a little kitty that's hiding. I thought that was really sweet. So yeah, and like I said, it might be kind of challenging to figure out where I want to put those tags, but I think I'll be able to put them in here somewhere, just because definitely the colors go. I think this might work here, even though I think it's a bit much, but yeah. And this is the story of the teapot, the rosebud teapot. Really sweet story. And you know, this is a little teapot in there. So cute. Put a lot of trim on that one. So, yep. These pages are fairly full. See how I'm still working on this one, because I know I want to put that page in there. But and then look here, there's a bunch of little ephemera there that I still kind of want to work on. But you know, this page is kind of lonely here, so maybe I will go ahead and put it right here. I think this is a very sweet place for it. I kind of even like how it's got the green page there to kind of tie that in a little bit. So I'm going to go ahead and I was going to go ahead and use the paper clip from this one, but then I'm not going to have that adhere to anything. So I'm going to paper clip that to that page. I believe I like it there. And then, yeah, and then I like this too. And then this is kind of all by its lonesome. So I think I might go ahead and attach this one right there, because mainly it's already got a paper clip for this other side. And so I kind of like that. Kind of worked out that the paper clip just slid right through the little, because this one's the 3D one. It's got the foam. So anyway, that's a way that you can embellish your beautiful books if you like. I'm not sure if I'm going to keep this one here, because this is this is a 2 signature book, and so this is for this signature. So I kind of want to maybe put that in the next signature, maybe, just because, you know, I like to kind of have some type of coordinating situation going on. And so I like to have, if I have like 2 of these tags, I want to use one in one signature, maybe one in the other signature. So see, this is where you start the next signature. It's a little gappy there, but anyway, I might as well finish going through this real quick, because I think it's adorable. A lot of tea-dyed paper, doily. See, this is another place that maybe I can put it, but I kind of like it there. I kind of really like it there. It kind of brings the colors of this picture, and you know, nice contrast with that blue. So see here, I still have something I can put in here. And love the heart doilies. And so here's another pocket that I still haven't used. So this is another one of those tags that is kind of chunky, because I put fabric in it, like fabric scraps, and I put it under this fabric belly band. Very sweet, very cute. And yep, I put trim on here Love this center. Has a little, this is like a little purse with flowers. I don't know if you can see that very well. It's not focusing too good. And then this is just a little bead. So, love that. Dangly centers. Those dangly centers. And then, yeah, this is a little bit out of place, but it went along with the summer, garden, spring. And it was a sticker my mom got me. It's really big, vinyl, chunky sticker, and I love it. Love it, love it. Here's another one of those tags that has, it's a butterfly, but it's all fabric, so very fun. Kind of goes with the rest of the book. It was all part of that fabric. This too, all this fabric was part of that. And then this, I tea-dyed this on a piece of, on a decoration made out of metal. And when I put it in the oven, it kind of gave this design, so I think that was really fun to do. And so yeah, there we have more pockets that I still want to work with. Look here, another little imprint. And so, and that's a cute tag too, because this has got like a little tag, little pocket, little flower, and of course, you know, the black and white stripe is always very cute, very fun, whimsical. There's another tag, which is chunky, with a little butterfly, and I love the yellow paper clip there for that. And that's the end of that. That's the end of that one. So anyway, I hope that you enjoyed this series. I made it a series because I actually didn't know how to add videos when editing, like you know, to make it one big video. I probably would have made it just one big video, but anyway. Yep, that's how we made the tags. Look, I love this one too because it's a chunky. I aged this paper clip. It looks pretty oxidated and ancient. I love that. And then this is fabric, and I put a image, a magazine image on there. That's why it's a little glary. And I just sewed and then put some fabric in between so it's chunky. And then it says, well, you can't see it because, anyway, it says, "Hello, sunshine." Very appropriate for a garden book. So I'm going to put this back in here. And then, you know, this is a beautiful page. This is some fabric. I think it's the only fabric not from that dress form pattern. But just made a pocket out of this grading card. So sweet. The colors look really good. Here, put together, and then I went over this already, but yeah, so towards the end of the signature, this first signature, we put our tag, very sweet and beautiful tag, and then we put the other one on this spread here, and I kind of like it because see how this brings this out and kind of contrasts this beautifully, and then the pink in this one kind of looks nice here. So anyway, just wanted to show you how I use the tags, the finished product, and while I was at it, I mean, obviously I went ahead and just did the flip through of this sweet little book with you. So if you have any comments, I would like to hear them, and if you want me to make a video about making this kind of journal or any parts of it, please make those comments at the bottom, and I would really enjoy reading and responding to them. So I will see you in the next one. Enjoy.